How to fix Telegram voice message not playing. Hi everybody, welcome back. If your Telegram voice message aren't playing, it's usually due to minor app glitch, volume settings, or missing permissions. First of all, just launch open settings on your device. Go to app from the list and select see all app. Simply want to go ahead and look for Telegram and select open. Go to permissions from the list and make sure that you've enabled all of these options on your device. After you've done that, you also want to make sure to go ahead and tap onto storage and cache. So clear cache, close this up, and then go ahead and launch open Telegram and try playing the voice audio. See whether that's going to help you out or not. In some cases, if you have ensure you have a media volume, so just hold on to your side button, tap the three dot, and you have this media. You might want to make sure to take it to a max or minimum. So this way as well, you should be able to fix. Now, if you have a proximity sensor, so if you hold the phone to your ear, the screen goes black and the audio switches to the earpiece. So make sure nothing is blocking the sensor at the top of your phone as well. And next, you also want to make sure to check if your audio is rotating or routing to connected Bluetooth headset or car system. So simply want to make sure to disable Bluetooth first thing first, and that should also definitely help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.